Hello, my friends. Today I'm talking about the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It covers about 100 out of 20 of the world surface. The longest above ground mountain range is Andes. The Mid-Atlantic Range, which is mostly situated in the Atlantic Ocean, is a mountain range much longer than the Andes. Most of this is the Atlantic. Greenland is world's biggest island is also located in the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic was the first ocean to be crossed by the ship and aeroplane. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.